Aravalli Range, facts, importance, and why it matters today. What if I told you that India's oldest mountain range is quietly protecting North India from turning into a desert? Yes, the Aravalli Range may be old and low, but its importance is massive.
Welcome to Know the Now 360. Today we are exploring the Aravalli Range, one of the most important yet most neglected natural features of India. The Aravalli Range is a mountain system in western and northwestern India. It runs diagonally from Gujarat to Delhi, cutting across Rajasthan and Haryana. Though not very tall, the Aravallis play a critical role in India's climate, ecology, and water security. So why does this ancient range still matter today? Let's break it down. First, let's look at some important facts. The Aravalli Range is one of the oldest fold mountain ranges in the world, older than the Himalayas. It is believed to be over 1.5 billion years old. The range stretches for about 670 kilometers. It passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi. The highest peak is Guru Shikhar, located on Mount Abu in Rajasthan, with a height of about 1,722 meters. Geologically, the Aravallis are made of ancient igneous and metamorphic rocks. Over millions of years, erosion has reduced their height, but not their importance. Now comes the most important part. Why should we care about the Aravalli Range today? One role in climate and rainfall. The Aravalli Range acts as a natural barrier. It influences the southwest monsoon by slowing down monsoon winds. This helps bring rainfall to parts of Rajasthan, Haryana, and western India. Without the Aravallis, rainfall patterns in North India would be far more extreme. Can you imagine Rajasthan becoming even drier? 2. Preventing desertification of the Thar Desert. This is one of its most critical roles. The Aravalli Range checks the eastward expansion of the Thar Desert. By acting as a physical and ecological barrier, it prevents desert sands from moving toward fertile regions of Haryana, Delhi, and western Uttar Pradesh. If the Aravallis degrade further, desertification could spread rapidly. 3. Biodiversity and wildlife. Despite being an old and eroded range, the Aravallis support rich biodiversity. They are home to leopards, hyenas, jackals, nilgai, deer, and many bird species. The forests of the Aravallis act as green lungs for cities like Delhi, Gurugram, and Jaipur. Without these forests, air quality and ecological balance would worsen drastically. 4. Water conservation and groundwater recharge. The Aravalli Hills help in rainwater harvesting and groundwater recharge. Rainwater gets trapped in the rocky terrain and slowly percolates underground. This replenishes wells, lakes, and aquifers in an otherwise water-scarce region. In dry states like Rajasthan, this function is priceless. 5. Importance for agriculture and human settlements. The Aravallis support agriculture by regulating climate and water availability. They also provide livelihoods through forest produce and grazing lands. Many human settlements have survived in arid regions only because of the Aravalli ecosystem. So ask yourself, can sustainable development happen without protecting such systems? To sum it up, the Aravalli Range is not just an ancient mountain system. It is a climate regulator, a desert barrier, a water protector, and a biodiversity hotspot. Ignoring its protection means risking water scarcity, desertification, biodiversity loss, and climate imbalance. Protecting the Aravallis is not a choice anymore. It is a necessity for India's future.
If you found this explanation useful, like the video and share it with your friends and family. For more such clear, simple, and relevant explainers, subscribe to Know the Now 360 and turn on the bell icon. Stay informed, stay curious.